What I've got here is my poorly covered cake, but it isn't going to matter because you're not going to see any of this anyway. And I believe you can use either Kara syrup or piping gel, and I just happen to have some piping gel here. Just need a knife to get some in here. And a little bit of water. Now it's important that your cake is stacked before you do this. Otherwise you're going to have a hard time stacking it. And I may regret not having the bottom cake in here. Actually, I might just put it in here. Okay. So I just want to water that down really good. And then just brush the cake ever so thinly all the way around. And on to the next layer. Don't get it on the bottom. Okay, I think that's everything. And then the reason why I have this in a pan is because I don't want to end up with sanding sugar, crystal sugar, all over the place. I'm going to get this, I have a little bit sticky on the bottom here. I don't want anything stuck to the bottom. Okay, so hopefully this hasn't dried. Oh, good. And we're just going to kind of, now these cakes are all the rage, and I really can't imagine eating this, chomping on this, but I would guess that they peel the fondant off because I can't imagine eating this, but this is how they do it. In case you're curious how they ever did this. In the hand and on the sides, just like you would do with nuts, you know. Same idea. This is why what's really nice is, of course, it doesn't matter how well you iced your cake. Hides a multitude of sins. Really nice. Now I'm guessing a bunch of these will fall off once I move this cake. It's very pretty though. Boy, you can add a little bit of edible glitter to this and it'll really be sparkly. If you missed a spot, you can always go back. Looks like I missed a little spot right here. Make sure your cakes are attached. I have a dowel through there, so make sure they're attached. This isn't so heavy. This is why I don't have the 10 in here. It'd be too heavy to lift. Okay, brush the excess off the top. Just brush it off. You don't need that much on there. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. Few spots I missed here. Anything you missed, just go back and tap it back on. It should stick. If it doesn't stick, a little more of the, and then pour this back in.